Hi Freddy. I've just messing with the bike to see if I can see anything, not that I can do better than you guys, but when the bike's on, you can hear a whir. If I turn it off, the dash still stays on as we know. I'll just turn it, but that noise still continues. But if I've got this here, got the battery out, if I disconnect the battery, listen, the battery's disconnected. Now I'll just reconnect the battery. Okay, battery's reconnected, everything's off, no noise. Send the kill switch, and that noise starts again. So if I turn the bike off, dash still stays on, kill switch, but that noise remains. Now I don't know if that's an alarm or any sort of internal system. Just undo it. It stops. Anyway, don't know if that's helpful, but every little bit of information helps, I guess. Bye mate, cheers.